Dong! Hello Dongers, I hope you're doing good today. And no, I'm not on crack. I wanted to get to the point fast today because we have an important topic to discuss. And I will say directly at the beginning of this video, straight into your face, I'm a Polygon fanboy. Okay.
Why are you gay?
Okay, fanboy is a little bit too hard, but just like there's a fanboy for every shitcoin or altcoin out there, and I'm one for Polygon, and I stand by that. In this video, I will explain why, in my opinion, Polygon is highly undervalued. And please keep in mind, there's no financial advice, thank you. I feel like many people don't realize what Polygon is cooking right now. So Dongers, let's start with that. BlackRock has expanded its tokenized money market fund to 5 new blockchains: Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism and Polygon. This tokenized money market fund is the largest blockchain-based market fund backed by short-term US treasuries and holding over 520 million in assets. And the next big shit is flying directly in your face. We're at 1 minute and 11 seconds and there are so many important and crazy informations right now. This is the Dong Guy channel, so if you are very interested in the channel, please like the comment down section below and the subscription. Yeah. So Lumia, a leader in the real world asset tokenization, is building a dedicated chain using Polygon CDK and connecting to AggLayer. So what is AggLayer? It's not AggLayer, it's AggLayer. Right now we have a moment of dong because I was about to explain to you how massive the real world asset market is and why it's extremely bullish that Polygon is working with Lumia. But first, you need to understand how powerful AggLayer is. This layer is still pretty new and with high adoption it could really push Polygon forward. Alright Dongers, I try to keep it as simple as possible. AggLayer, developed, keep it in mind, developed by Polygon, is a groundbreaking protocol designed to unify fragmented blockchains and enable seamless interoperability. Holy moly Dongers, that was a hard word for me. It acts as a neutral cross-chain settlement layer, allowing different blockchains to function as one. Wow! By using zero-knowledge CK proof, AggLayer ensures secure and efficient transaction across chains. So with AggLayer, it's easier for developers and users to interact across multiple chains. It's a game changer for scalability, security and user experience in Web3. Yeah, I try to explain it to you as simple as possible. Otherwise, you can read everything in detail again on the official Polygon website if you're interested. And now we take a step back in time because you need to know what AggLayer is before we talk more about Lumia. Whoa. And as you already know, Lumia is an innovative blockchain platform designed to facilitate the tokenization of real-world assets. And now we play a little bit of Digimon and we have a fusion, so it's easier to understand because the integration of Lumia into the Polygon ecosystem benefits the Polygon coin, in this case Matic, by increasing its utility and demand. Because if Lumia using Polygon's infrastructure for transaction and operations, the need for Matic tokens rises, potentially leading to greater adoption and value application. Oh, the background gameplay is also very sick on this video. I know Dongers, and if we try to explain this very easy, how does Polygon benefit from all this? It's pretty easy: increased demand, more usage and ecosystem growth. Additionally, Polygon has a very active and well followed X account. This alone is very valuable in the crypto space, as you only need to look at Memecoins to understand the impact of a strong social media presence. Oh, and did I say Memecoins? Well, Polygon is looking to get into that space too. And with Polygon's low gas fees, it could be very interesting. Also, many Web3 crypto games use Polygon. And I think in a gaming season that will soon or later come, Polygon could benefit greatly from that. Dongers, the Polygon token has several useful functions and gets burned through its... Dongers, the Polygon token has several useful functions and gets burned through its usage. I'm really curious to see how AggLayer will impact things too on Polygon. Yes, the chart doesn't look too great. In my opinion, it is not a good chart. There were several reasons for that. First, Polygon did a rebranding. Before the rebranding, they were called Matic, and now they're just POL. After the relaunch, there were some communication issues and the roadmap wasn't very clear. Additionally, the tokenomics were pretty questionable, which along with some other factors has led Polygon to be in this. And at the 3rd of February there was the big market manipulation, and yeah, a lot of our lovely altcoins went down the hill. That then gave Polygon the final push from the cliff. And things like that usually take some time in the crypto space to recover. And it was not only that push from the hill. There were only the issues with the communication, with the rebranding and the tokenomics. But I think the Polygon team has done a great job fixing the damage, and personally I still believe in the project. What about you? How do you feel about Polygon? Thank you for watching and Dongai off.